Welcome to another episode of SoCal Homesteading by Olofans. So today I'm gonna start setting up our garden in this section of the yard. So if you remember, in my previous video I showed you this area, and I said that this is where I was gonna set up my garden. So right now it looks dry. We have a lot of stuff that needs to be moved. So the first step is I'm going to clean up this area. Then once I clean it up, then I'm going to set up some structures over here, because I want to raise my garden. I want it to be above ground, because I don't want any gophers to attack them once they start to establish. And also I just like I feel like when I raise them up, it kind of keeps them away from all these animals that visit, like the bunnies. We have a lot of bunnies over here, and it also gives me the chance to be able to keep the area clean by mowing the grass underneath and just keeping this area clean and tidy. So let's go ahead, start by cleaning up everything in this section. Then I'm going to bring in my already established tomatoes. I'll show you where they are once we set up the structure where they're going to be placed on. Then from there we're going to be building this garden bit by bit till eventually all of this place is covered with plants. All right, so let's get it started. Yes, almost. All right, we got it done. That corner looks good. I was able to clean up everything out of that corner. All right, so next will be this corner right here. I gotta get all this stuff out of here. Once I get all that done, then I'll have a big space for my gardening. All right, let's keep on. Let's haul all this thing out of here and come back and finish the rest. All right, it's all clean and everything is out. Let's take a look. Yeah, so all that is gone. All the trash that was here is gone. Now I'm left with all of this area to start my garden. So we're gonna take a little break. Then when we come back, we're gonna start by bringing in all the pieces of wood that we're gonna use to build the raised, let me call it a raised stand for the tomatoes that I'm gonna put in this area. So yep, let's see in a little bit.